Hello, this is Mako Ikeda. This time, I'll be introducing items I bought at Daiso, chosen by a 100 yen shop enthusiast. This time, I bought some new products and useful items for the kitchen, so please use this as a reference before you go shopping. Let's introduce the storage items. This is a sponge storage basket with adhesive. It's a 100 yen item. Yes, the product comes with this basket and a hook sticker as a set. The basket is designed to drain water well, and you just need to put the sponge inside, so you don't have to worry about it falling out. You can also put melamine sponges or thin sponges in it. The included sticker has a hook, so you can set it up by inserting it here. The load capacity is about 500 grams. This is a case for storing sponges. For example, I think it's also fine to stick it in the bathroom and put toys in it. If you remove this hook, you can use it as a simple basket, so it can be used for small storage as well. Even if you no longer need it for sponges in the kitchen, I thought it was nice that it can easily be used in other ways as well. The included adhesive sticker is difficult to remove once it's attached, and the sheet itself bends, making it hard to reuse. Just be careful about that. Next, I bought this wire net. This one costs 200 yen. The top is shaped like a half circle. Isn't it cute? When you think of wire nets, you probably imagine them as square-shaped. This one's half-circle shape adds a more stylish touch to your decor. You can hang it on the wall to display and store small items. The stand is also sold for 100 yen. You can use things like this as storage items around the kitchen, too. I think it's nice that just by being a little round, you can place it like a piece of decor. When you want both convenience and style, I think this half-circle shape is just perfect. Next, I bought this triple dish towel rack. This one is a 100 yen item and attaches with a magnet. The main body features a pure white design. The part where you hang the dish towels can be spread out firmly. Since it moves 180 degrees, it's easy to use whether you attach it to the left or right side of the wall, as long as it's a place where magnets work. You can use it anywhere. I recommend it to anyone who has trouble storing dish towels. For example, if you stick it around the washing machine, it looks like it could also be used as a towel rack. Next is this one. I bought some kitchen paper. It's a large capacity type with 300 sheets. This one is a 200 yen item. 300 sheets for 200 yen is a good deal, right? It's single ply and thin, but since the surface is textured, it looks like it'll be easy to wipe up dirt. It's not as thin as toilet paper, but it's still quite thin. You can use this for draining water, wiping dishes, or wiping down tables. Since the material is thin, it's just right for wiping up small messes. There are also thicker types of kitchen paper. This thin type is convenient for quick wipes. I also recommend using it together with the thicker type for different purposes. Next, here are some compactly packaged trash bags. You get 40 30-liter bags for 200 yen. Speaking of trash bags, there are also roll types available. This one is a folded type, kind of like kitchen paper, that has been released. There's a dispensing opening in the front. You open it here. You can take out one sheet at a time. You can store it in the package just like this. It's convenient because you don't have to refill a case. When you use it, just grab from the top and take one out. It's super easy to take out. When you unfold it, it becomes a simple 30-liter trash bag. You can store it in kitchen drawers or shelves, and when you need to take a trash bag with you, it's nice that you can carry it compactly. It's also convenient for outdoor activities and such. It's also nice that there are 40 sheets inside, so you don't have to buy refills as often. Lastly, we have the premium melamine sponge. This one is a stick type, and it's sold in packs of 12 for 100 yen. Since it's labeled as premium, the sponge is high density. It's compressed to twice the density of a regular melamine sponge. It's made firmer, so just by wetting it and lightly scrubbing, you can remove water stains and soap scum. You use it just like a regular melamine sponge. With regular melamine sponges, they're often too soft, and it's hard to apply pressure, but with this sponge, you can clean thoroughly even in those situations. I think people often feel that soft sponges tend to wear out quickly or get squished flat right away. But this one is firm, so it seems like it will last a long time. One side has a textured surface, so you can switch sides while cleaning. For example, you can also use it to prevent drawer cases from slipping. Packing melamine sponges in can keep the case from shifting. Since it's a hard type, you can pack it tightly into gaps, making it even less likely to move. It's a stick type and easy to hold, so if you're interested, please check it out. This time, I introduced items I bought at Daiso. Every time I feel like they've evolved so much that there can't possibly be anything left. But new products keep coming out, and I really think we've entered such a convenient era. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and support us with hype as well. So this was Mako Ikeda.